right, you guys, it is Saturday, the 9th of April, and it is time to pick that winner for the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. So let's do this thing, okay? It's already set up with all that, so here's the link, paste it in. 32 comments that matched, and here we go. Liz, oh my gosh, you are going to be in heaven, girl. That Pinky Rose Obsessed palette looks like it matches your manicure. I used the spackle primer several years ago, but really don't remember much about it. I have an Alamar Cosmetics palette, but have never used their primer. I'm using an ABH. Okay, so she was talking about everything. She was paying attention to that video. I love it, Liz. Using an ABH eye primer sample right now and really like it. Have a great weekend. So she definitely was commenting with regards to everything that I was talking about in that video. So congratulations, Liz. This is absolutely awesome. Once again, another new name on the platform, you guys. It's pretty awesome. Anyway, congratulations, Liz. You now have 48 hours to get in touch with me. You have my Instagram information as well as my email information down below in the description box. I do prefer email, but that is strictly up to you. And that's only because it allows me to send you tracking when that package is shipped off to you. So let's give Liz a big, huge congratulations, you guys. And again, don't be discouraged. That means that there's new winners being picked every time I have a giveaway. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. I greatly appreciate it. Take care. Have a wonderful day.